Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. First of all, Ramadan Mubarak. I hope this month brings blessings for all of us. Today I'll be teaching you how to make Imli ki Meethi Chutney. So before starting, I want you all to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. We will start by adding 1.5 cups of Jaggery and mix until it completely melts. Next, we will add in 1 cup or 260 ml of tamarind pulp and mix it well. Now we will be adding 2 cups or 500 ml of hot water. Bring it to boil and keep mixing. Add half tablespoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black salt, half teaspoon of carom seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of dried ginger powder, 1 pinch of orange food color, and give it a good mix. Take 2 tablespoons of cornflour and mix it with 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Add the mixture into the pot and keep stirring continuously to avoid the formation of lumps. Cook on high flame until the mixture thickens. This will take about 5 to 8 minutes. Keep stirring in between. Once the mixture has thickened, turn off the stove and let it cool down. Transfer the chutney into an airtight container or jar. In order to preserve it for a longer time, add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and mix it well. This chutney can be stored in fridge for 2 to 3 months. The Imli Meethi Chutney is now ready. Do try this recipe out and let me know in the comment section below of how it turned out. Please like this video and share it with your families and friends. Do subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more Ramadan recipes. Assalamu alaikum.